In this episode of Tinker Time, we got the black mini bike front fork teardown and rear wheel brake drum swap. In episode 1, we will remove the engine mount to make room for the Predator 212 Ghost, and we'll do a size comparison to the original 50cc two-stroke motor. In episode 2, we will do some more complicated assembly and redesign, so stay tuned if you want to see how that goes. I believe we have enough space, but time will tell. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to take this off. I'm just really hoping that the engine, because the engine is actually going to be facing this way. The cylinder goes like this. I was hoping that maybe we can have the crankcase here and the cylinder. It kind of points up a little bit, but I don't know how big it is. Look at the difference. This is ridiculous. So I don't know how many horsepower this little two-stroke motor is, but I'll tell you what, it whipped me around the block at over 25 miles an hour. I can't wait to see what this bad boy's gonna do. I traveled over an hour south to Port St. Lucie, Florida. It's in the back of my trucks. It's in the truck bed for the mini bike. It's a big wheel bike.
Is there no brake? I want to go around the lake with this thing.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's get it.
That's silly or what?
Yeah!
All right, come on, ride.
Go this fast. I am gonna run this.
It's really not that bad. Except the pedal fell off. Well, that ain't right. I hope they're as good looking as the pictures. Oh, look at that. That's intense. These are beefy, bro. The brake is on this side. Bro, we got plenty of room. Dude. Yeah, look at this. The nuts. They'll go on. No problem. This is gonna be sick. Look at the size of this. Well, 14 hours and 37 drill bits later, I finally got this lined up, and this is a great success. I had no idea if this old stem was going to fit into the new forks, and it does. It's not really snug, but that's what we're going to do here. We're slid this bolt in here. We're going to make it nice and tight. It's not going to go anywhere once this is together. Everything is going to be all locked in. The forks, the tire, the hub, the neck, and everything is all going to be together. So if I'm going to have any sort of braking power, I need to make sure that the brakes are in good shape, because we're increasing the horsepower by a lot. Ooh. It's like non-existent. Wow, look at that. It's gone. Just totally gone. And this feels like glass. Oh my goodness. This looks in good. This is fine now. Man, that's like hammered on there too. Oh boy. Okay, gotta order a new one of those. Some of you are going to be laughing at me right now because I don't know. And I'm going to show you what I don't know. I know a lot of things, but not everything. This right here. I don't know if there are threads on the other side holding this disc brake thing on. I can't see any threads. I already did some damage, so I'm beyond a point of return. But look, you see this new one I got? It's got threads, but it's bigger by like a lot. And this is all new to me. I don't do bicycle stuff. So I'm trying to figure out, you know, is there thread? Is there not thread? There's only one way to find out. Success! There are threads behind there. Come a little closer and we'll take a look. So this was threaded, thank goodness. And this has threads on here. However, we did a little bit of damage getting the old one off, but it's okay. We can get it cleaned up. We'll get this new one on. The new one's a little bit bigger. And it's gonna work a lot better. It's nice and smooth because apparently, you know, this is not gonna stop anybody from driving. No, it's not gonna stop anybody. This is very abused. So this should go right on. I just gotta clean up the threads a little bit first before I cross thread it. So great. Let's get the ball rolling, and we'll keep you posted as we go.